Welcome everyone to this short video on an exciting Samsung product. It's the WAC Interactive Display. We're going to go through the 5 things that you should know about this product. Number 1, the simple to use app-based user interface. For many of us going into a boardroom, the technology might be a little bit overwhelming at times. However, if you're used to using a tablet or a mobile phone, you're gonna find that this display is very easy to use. You simply navigate the UI and launch the application that you need. And let me give you a demonstration of how this actually works. As you can see, we have shortcuts very much like a tablet or a mobile phone. I can quickly access things that I use the most, or I can go into the side menu here and have access to other applications and programs, including all apps that are installed on the display. Number 2, whiteboard functionality and sharing. Let's go into our notes. And from here, you can see I'm already starting to collaborate with the group, how we can use the WAC. Education and classroom. The kids are bringing up some great ideas. You're taking notes, you can do that. Business meetings. This is one that I do all the time, so everyone's making some great suggestions. Yeah. Sports, coaches. You know, a lot of times they're coming up with the game plan, X's and O's. There's actually templates built right in that has the field. Yeah, you can do that. Content review, if you're a landscaper or a fashion designer, to be able to put maybe the image on the screen, make edits with the pen, yeah, you can do that as well. And of course, brainstorming sessions. Everybody's coming up with some great ideas. We wanna make sure that we're taking them down on the whiteboard. Yep, no problem. Now, once we're done, we wanna be able to share with the entire group. Simply go into Share, preparing to export. Going to give you a QR code, and provided that your device and your mobile phone is on the same network, you get a QR code you can make larger, and you're going to be able to download it right to your mobile phone. Or if I want to go the traditional route, I can go into the menu and you can export it, import it, save as. You can even email it directly from the whiteboard. So easy to use, easy to share. Number 3, dual pen functionality. You know, one of the things I love about working on a tablet and a pen is that I have the ability to be really creative, but anytime I want to change to a second color, I have to go into the menu system and swap the color. With this, I can actually have 2 different colors, 1 color on each end. So if I want to highlight something in one color or change it and go to a different color, I have the ability to do so right on here. Now, if you happen to misplace the pen or you have somebody else that's coming up to write something on the board, don't worry, you don't need the pen because you could just use your finger. Number 4, split screen. This is one of my favorite features. It's a great way to multitask. And let me give an example of how I would use this feature. If we go into the web browser, I'm gonna go to the landing page for the WAC. I got a lot of great information over here, but maybe I wanna make some notes. Well, this is where I can engage the split screen. Simply tap it, it opens. Let's figure out what app we wanna open on the right side, which is going to be my notes. And then from here, I can see, yeah, the layout looks great. Let's keep going. If I need to resize, that's easy to do as well. I can simply just move it over. I got more space to be able to make notes. Or if I need to see the other side a little bit clearer, I can resize that as well. So very easy to use and great for multitasking. Number 5, screen share. This is a feature or an app that I can basically launch right from my home screen. Once I do that, I now have the ability to share my content from my computer screen, whether I'm in a meeting or in a classroom. It's a great way to share my ideas directly to the main display. Once my desktop gets onto the screen, you can then use the pen to make highlights for the rest of the people in the room. So there you go, some of the key features of the Samsung WAC Interactive Display. There's so much you can do with this product. As an example, I have a webcam and speaker sound system connected. It's an optional accessory that I can connect with this product. Also inputs, HDMI, USB, USB-C, Ethernet. There's so much that you can connect to this display. It makes a great productivity tool. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for joining us.